And welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm gonna do a makeup. I'm just gonna go and create something, you know, something that makes me happy and put me in a good vibes and good mood, and that's what I'm about to do right now. And you guys, please don't forget to go ahead, likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel, your girl TARJIEBLARGE. And yeah, tune in for this makeup video. Let's get it popping. So first I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 410. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, beat that face. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. Put some little moisturizer all over this face, and then go ahead and apply my foundation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild that I got from the drugstore. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my face. You guys, don't pay attention to my nails. Can you believe that I just got my nails done like 3 days ago and I broke my nails? Like, I'm just over it. I can't. Like, seriously, like, come on. Like, I paid mad money for my nails and then it's broken. I cannot deal with that. I really cannot deal with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty to go ahead and apply my foundation. First, I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger. Take a little dot, put it all over my face. Try to like rub it in with my hands a little bit. This foundation is just like the bomb. I love the way it smells. I love everything about this foundation. I don't know about you, but I do. I love this foundation. And then I'm gonna go ahead then after that, you guys, I like to go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix MAC NC45 to go ahead and just, you know, set that foundation. And I'm gonna use my hand because I'm using my hand today, and then just dab that in. So now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and use this 32 perfect 32 that I got from the beauty supply store to do my eyes. First, I am going to go with this color right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just take my time and then apply that on my eyelid. To the other eye. Then after that, I did go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette that I have, which is so poppin'. I'm gonna go ahead and use this orange color here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab it over that other orange color that I have. So you just go like this, like you're just pasting that on. Look how pretty that look. See how pretty that look? Look how pretty that look, you guys. And then we're gonna do that for the other eye. Paste it on. Just paste that on. Yes, honey.
It's a job. So you get a better pizza. 2 pies are better than 1. Get 2 medium, 2 topping pizzas for just $5.99 each.
So after that, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the glitter glue to just hold my eyes in place for my glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and dab that on. Because I don't want it to be like too much, and then I go like this. Try to catch the inner crease to the outer crease. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my concealer. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and also set my face. I'm gonna use this HD setting powder that I have to set my face. Go ahead and put this, my blush, which is kind of messy, but I
I can't stop.
I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you go with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to